up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my November Ipsy Glam bag and my November Boxycharm base box. I decided to go ahead and combine these into the same video, being that they are the same company, so yeah, that's why I did that. For those of you who are not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, that one went up to $13 a month, but I feel that it's totally worth it. I've always loved my Ipsy Glam bags. And then the Boxycharm base box is $25 a month. I will have links to both of those companies in the description box below. Even though they're the same company, they have different websites. Without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my Ipsy Glam bag, and woo! Here it is. It always comes in their branded bubble wrap mailer. I always save these and reuse them when I'm sending out friend mail. Ooh, that bag is pretty. I always look to see if there's anything inside because sometimes they put some stuff outside of the bag. I don't see anything. Ooh, it's a nice velvet green. Look, it matches the green I have on perfectly. The bag is super cute. I'm down for the bag. All right, guys, let's open it up. Give you guys a little sneak peek. Looks like it's got a burgundy interior. That's really cute. So let's see if the little card says anything on it. November 2021, your throne awaits. Awesome. Oh, bummer. So we don't have an info card. Oh, well, that's fine. All right, let's go ahead and see what they put in here anyways. The first thing I'm grabbing is Urban Therapy Twisted Sister 3-minute moisturizing mask. All right, I am totally down. Okay, here it is, guys. I am very excited to have that. I love trying new products for my hair, so I'm happy to have it. Yeah, that's good. Wonder if it is totally sealed or if I can, ooh, I can smell it through there. Oh my gosh, that coconut smells amazing. That's going to be great. Okay, so what else do we have in here? Tea tree green mud mask. Okay, so what's the benefits of it? Tea tree control green mud mask soothes skin with tea tree leaf extract while absorbing impurities with French green mud. Okay, guys, I have a lot of impurities. I mean, my face took a beating when I was trying some products that probably weren't good for my face, so I threw a lot of stuff away. I can't really smell it, but I know tea tree has a very strong smell, but that's okay. I'll give this a try. I'm really excited to have that because I'm still trying to work through correcting all of those things that happened to my face when I was trying all that other stuff. What is this? Good Glow Blush. Ooh, spiced up color. Okay, here it is in its original packaging, and I'm going to show you right here is the color of it as well. So let's see if I can get in here without much trouble so I can show it to you guys. All right, here it is in their little box here. Ooh, okay, there's no mirror, which is fine with me. Oh, here we go. That's a pretty color. I'm definitely down for that color, for sure, for sure. Alrighty, dighty. I do have a lot of blush, but you know what? I always hang on to it because I do kind of go through it fast, but I don't know. I like to try different shades all the time and stuff like that. So, yeah, no. All right, we got two more things in here. One is so tiny, I can't even believe I can see it. 4-in-1 Sculpting Concealer. Ooh, okay. Did this in the right color? All right, here it is. I mean, that thing is tiny, guys. That is tiny. Wowzers. So, this is 0.7 ounces. Did they seal it all? Oh, no, it's not sealed all the way. Well, let's check out the colors, shall we? Let's see if it's going to be right for me. Hope I don't squeeze out too much. Gosh, one squeeze and this whole thing's going to be done, though. Okay, so here it is. Looks like it might be pretty close. Ooh, actually, it's on the nose. Look at that, guys. Can you see it? Okay, great. That's the point. All right. Oh, no, I dropped that. So we're going to put that there for now. All right, let's see what else we got here. Verso Night Cream. So what do you do? I mean, I know it's a night cream, but there's no instructions. So I'm guessing I just put this on at night like I do some of my other night cream mask stuff or whatever. All right, I'm down to give it a try for sure, for sure. I mean, Verso is a pretty good brand. They had an eye cream that I got in one of the bags or something like that. I don't know which one. It worked okay. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, guys, that's all I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. I'm actually really happy with this one. I'm definitely going to use all the products that they put in this bag. So that's pretty darn exciting. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into what I got in my Boxycharm base box. Okay, guys, so woo! All right, guys, this feels pretty meaty this month. I mean, it feels pretty heavy. That's exciting. All right, let's see what they put in here. think I'm going to put it on this thing. I think that will work better. Okay, so what do we got? Boxycharm invite only. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale. Ooh, up to 80% off? That sounds pretty darn exciting. When does that happen? One-time use offer valid through November 30th. Okie dokie, that's awesome. Okay, so they do have a list of all the products that they have in there, and I'm just going to go ahead and see what they said. I never pay attention, guys, and I rarely ever choose. I just don't have time for that kind of stuff. Ooh, Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base. I'm down. Look at that, guys. Alrighty, tighty. Guys, I feel like this company, Ace Beauty, is reasonably priced and they kill it. I think their products are awesome, especially their palettes. I have not been disappointed with a product by them yet. Deep. Well, I don't know that I'm that dark. I'm just saying. Okay, it's not sealed or anything, so let's see if I am that. Ooh, it's not that deep. Yeah, so apparently I am not dark. But it's not as dark as it is on here. Like this versus this. Let me see if I can show you guys. I mean, hello, it's not that dark. I'm just saying. All right, nonetheless, I got it on here and everything. Yes, they did send the right color for me. Perfecto. Super excited. I actually can't wait to try that. Hello, that's awesome. All right, what do we got here? Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. Alrighty dighty, that's awesome. I'm almost out of the one that I got in one of my Kel's Mail Joy boxes, so that's good. I have a backup when I eventually decide to clean my brushes. I hate cleaning my brushes, guys. I know you need to. I know it's necessary, but, you know, whatever. Alright, so we have Skin Fix. Skin Fix what? AHA Enzyme Exfoliating Pads. Retexturizing peel to smooth, brighten, and tackle dark spots. Tackle dark spots. Ah, that's amazing. Okay, guys, let me show it to you. I'm sorry, I'm just sitting here reading it. How boring is that? But I'm just saying, wow. Oh, so it can fix. I have dark spots from all of the issues that I was having with my skin when I was trying a bunch of products that just totally broke my skin out. And I'm one of those people that can't leave it alone. So I have the acne scars. They do eventually go away, but it takes months and months. So if this can expedite the process, I mean, hello, I'm down. Okay, so it just looks like this, guys. The reason why I opened it is because I knew I'm going to use this right away. Like, I'm going to read the instructions, and I'm definitely going to start using this product right away for sure, because I definitely need help. And guess what? If it works, I will definitely buy more. Oh, I haven't even told you how much this stuff cost. You can tell I haven't done an unboxing in a while. Okay, guys, well, let's do a quick recap. So I started with the Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, and that value is $14.99. Wowzers, that's awesome. So 15 milliliters or 0.51 fluid ounces. So if this thing works good, I'll definitely buy more. That's what I'm saying. They are so reasonably priced. Okay, guys, and then I pulled out this Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. 19 bucks. Okay, 4 fluid ounces. I'm not mad at that at all. That's totally reasonably priced. So I would get more of that. And then I got this Skin Fix stuff that I'm so incredibly excited about. Ooh, baby. It better work. It's $50. How many do you get? 60 pads for 50 bucks. I don't know how often you're supposed to use it or whatever, but that's kind of pricey, but I promise you, if it actually works, I will let you guys know, and I would definitely buy more of it, even at 50 bucks, because that's something that makes people very self-conscious about themselves, especially me, having dark spots on your face, especially. It just really gets to me. So if that works, I will definitely be down. Ooh, we got a palette. That's awesome. Okay, so, ooh, Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. So I have a little Luxie brush set. It looks like you got 3 brushes in the set here. That's awesome. I don't need to take them out and test them. I know Luxie is awesome. So, ooh, baby, $40. Did they charge extra because I got the zip pouch? Because it says you get the zip pouch with it for storage. Is a zip pouch worth making these 40 bucks? I'm just saying, I would never pay $40 for brushes, but I am so happy to have them as part of my box here. That's awesome. All right, guys, the last thing I got in here is this Violet Voss Violet Sunset Palette. Ah! That is awesome. So it says Violet Sunset, so I'm wondering, am I going to get me some purples in here? Oh, yeah, we have one. We have one purple. Okay, but the palette itself it's pretty, but I'm not jumping out of my seat about the fact that I only got 2 purples. I'm just saying. So then it looks like to be more like fall colors along with these 2 purple colors. So it's pretty. I will definitely use it, but not super stoked about just having the 2 purples. I'm just saying. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see how much the Violet Voss Sunset palette is worth. That one is worth $37. Okay, well, that's not bad. Okay, guys, so as always, I'm not prepared whatsoever, so I've not tallied up what my total is for this month. So let me go ahead and tally it up, come back, do final thoughts, and we'll finish up this video. Okay, guys, so sorry I'm all over the place in this video. You can tell that I have not filmed in a while because I've been busting my butt trying to get everything done that I need to get done. Okay, guys, quick recap. So I got the Violet Voss palette for $37. I also got the Luxie brushes valued at $40. Then I got the Skin Fix exfoliating pads. The value for those was $50. Then I got the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser. The value for that was $19. And then I got the Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, and the value for that is $14.99, making the total value for this month's box $161. Guys, this one is $25 a month. I think it is 100% worth it. I've never been disappointed in any of my Boxycharm boxes, and that's exactly why I'm going to continue to keep this one in my rotation next year, as well as Ipsy. I've never been disappointed with an Ipsy. I think that it's 100% worth the cost, even though it went up $1. So I will definitely keep that one in my rotation next year as well. All right, guys, I have links to both of these websites in the description box below if you want to check them out. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my Nope. We are in November, folks. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my November Ipsy and Boxycharm. Okay, should I say Ipsy Glam bag? Because it's not the full Ipsy. Try it again. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with my Ipsy Glam bag, and woo! Here it is. It comes in their branded. That's the word I'm looking for. Try it again. Okay, guys, so try it again. Okay, guys, so I can't throw this right. Try it again.